Today we're going to do a quick review of this Titan scraper set. This scraper set is really nice because it's got quite a few things that are really nice about it. And one of those things is the interchangeable blades are cheap on these, so you could buy quite a lot of them and you won't be breaking the bank. And it's very easy to change it. You just unscrew this bolt, take the top part out, and you got yourself a razor. Now, if you guys noticed, I had it put in backwards like this. That's how I store this. I put the razor in reverse so that I don't accidentally cut myself when I'm taking this tool out of the bag. And then when I need to use it, I just put it back to the way it's supposed to go in. And then I just put this over it and take the bolt and thread it in. Just like that. And if you guys need to get it in there tighter than what you can do with your finger, it's got the Phillips slot there, so you guys can tighten it down with the screwdriver, make it much more tighter, and there you go. When you thread it in, the blade is nice and straight. It doesn't bend or anything like that. I really like these blades. They're quite a bit more thicker than the regular blades you would normally find. And the handle on this is also very nice. It's nice and thick and it's rubberized, so it doesn't slip on you. So if you're scraping something for a long period of time, your hands don't get tired. I've been using this quite a lot, and you can tell by how the logo there, or their logo has been sort of rubbing off, but that doesn't bother me. And of course, it also comes with the smaller one in the set. And this one has a cap, so you don't need to worry about reversing the blade or anything like that. And when you take the cap off, you can see, there it is. And if you want to take the blade out, you just have to unscrew this part right here, and the blade slides right out of there. Just like that. And you pop in a new blade, and just cap it back up, and that's it. There you go. And this one's really nice because it's easier to carry since it's smaller, so you can throw it in your pocket. It's very similar to the other one when it comes to the grip. It's rubberized. It's not as easy to hold because it has a flat profile. But if you're looking for something that is compact, this is not bad at all. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked this quick review, and I hope you guys enjoy this product.